Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's video I'm going to guide you through how to nickname on Google Meet. If you'd like to create a Google meeting with a nickname is a great option for teachers who want to set office hours, hosting multiple classes at a time and much more. Nickname prevents students from entering a Google Meet before you've joined and rejoining a Google Meet after you leave. In order to create a new claim on Google Meet, go ahead and log into your Google Media account. First, open up a web browser and go to Meetup. Google.com and press enter. Log into your Google Meet account. Once you're in, enter a code or a nickname in the text box right next to the new meeting button. While creating a nickname, remember to create a unique nickname since it will help prevent other teachers, staff members and students from accidentally joining into the Google Meet. After you're done entering your nickname, click on Join Sonata. Click Join. You'll be able to enter a meeting with the nickname. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Again, thank you for watching.